on. Fish on guys. Fish on. Retrieve natin agad. Retrieve natin agad guys. Try natin kung hindi mapuputol. Fish on.
Yo, what's up, Angler X Hunter here. Welcome back to another fishing adventure. Today, we're targeting the fast, playful, and super fun to catch fish, the bidbid or ladyfish. And of course, we're using an ultra-light setup today because we want to feel even the tiniest pull from the fish. Here's the setup we're using today. Rod, KastKing Max Steel Ul, perfect for exciting fights even with smaller target fish. Reel, Ryobi Ultralight 1000 series, smooth and comfortable to retrieve. Main line, Easter Hunter 6 pounds, super thin at only 0.058 millimeters diameter. Leader line, Sea Knight Fluorocarbon 20 pounds, just in case a bigger fish suddenly joins the party. Lure setup, BearKing Polaris White Color 4 centimeters paired with a 3 grams jig head. This setup is perfect for long casting and imitating small baitfish. Do you know why ladyfish are hard to talk to? Because they always ladyfish and tell. Yeah, corny joke. That's probably why I still don't have a strike. In ultralight fishing, you don't need super expensive gear to enjoy the sport. What matters most is the right setup, proper lure presentation, and patience. Sometimes catching a small but aggressive fighter fish is more fun than catching a big fish that barely pulls. One more thing, always practice responsible fishing. If you're not planning to cook the fish, it's better to release it so their population can grow and we'll still have fish to catch next time.
Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on. Ah. Tangina, sinabit pa. Fish on guys, fish on. Line. Yan. Fish on. Fish on. Bayad-bad. Ay, fish on. Muntik pa. 1-0. Shit. Sayang. Sayang guys. Isa pa. Unhook. Pangalawang unhook na. Ito yung maghagi sa tapat. Saktong may aanod to. Sabit kasi. Yan. Pangatlong unhook na yon. Strike. Sayang. Strike na naman guys. Dalawang strike. Buntot, dulo palaging nakakain. Habang hagisan natin ng hagisan habang active sila. Ang daming bayad-bad. Tayo. Strike na naman. Ayan. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on. Oh puta, pag pupunta dyan. Shit. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on, Klein. Fish on guys. Laki. Laki nito. Turuin lang natin. Turuin lang natin guys. Sana hindi makawala. Ay! Shit!
Ay! Bakla!
Putol. Putol lang din niya natin. Sobrang talim ng ngipin guys. Sayang. Bawi tayo, bawi. Putol. Wala akong leader rin na mas malaki. Kuha. Putol. Mas malaki yon. Igilid ko na mamaya diretso. Try natin igilid agad. Nakagat niya. Try natin ikuan agad. Ilant agad kung kaya ng line natin. Kasi naka ultralight setup tayo. Baka hindi kayanin ng line. Ganda ng laban guys. Kahit ako di ako nakaka-land, isa pa lang land natin pero masaya tayo. Putol ang ating leader line. Try nating mag-land. Try nating i-land agad, guys. Maghihigpit ako ng drag. Sayang. Ay, sayang, bawi tayo, guys. Sana may mapadawi pa tayo. Ay, bawi. Sana may dumawi pa. Pang-apat na unhook na natin yon. Pero yun yung naigilid natin. Yung iba pag tumalon na unhook na agad. Maganda yung pagkakagat niya, kaso nakakagat yung ating line, leader line. So, maliit lang kasi naka 0.5 lang ating main line. Tapos 18 pounds yung ating leader line, pero napuputol pa din. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Retrieve natin agad. Retrieve natin agad, guys. Try natin kung hindi mapuputol. Fish on. Push. Ay, tama mo. Sayang. Ikawala pa din. Hindi kinaya ng powers.
Meow.